What is an equity total return future and basket total return future? Basket trades of equity total return futures provide a futurized solution for equity financing. This means that an OTC product is now available on exchanges with the additional benefits that go along. An ETRF belongs to the total return futures product structure, which aims to replicate the payoff of an OTC equity swap based on eligible underlying shares. More specifically, an equity total return future is a listed future with returns analogous to an equity total return swap. The buyer, long, receives the total returns on the underlying share and pays a financing amount on the notional, based on an agreed rate. In line with the OTC convention for equity swaps, the ETRF price is expressed in basis points, positive or negative, the so-called TRF spread. The equity total return futures are designed to be the basic building block for baskets of equity total return futures, BTRF. This means a BTRF is a package trade of one or multiple ETRFs constructed by traders within certain parameters in relation to these eligible underlying shares. The combination of the new product ETRF and the functionality of BTRF results into the following key benefits. ETRFs are fully fungible and build on the functionality of Euro Stoxx 50 TRFs. They mitigate counterparty risk and bilateral margining for non-cleared OTC equity and basket TRS. Balance sheet benefits are ensured by a transparent and secure CCP environment. Furthermore, one benefits from cross-margining with Eurex equity derivatives, including the Euro Stoxx 50 SX5E TRF. And above all, ETRFs and BTRFs are convincing because they are exchange products that support current market activities while offering the advantages of listed derivatives. They can simultaneously be traded alongside current equity derivatives, including index total return futures. Eurex is your partner. Contact us.